2022 Ford Mustang. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, blind spot monitor, backup camera, convertible soft top, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.